Ocean sunfish. Also called the mola mola, the rather odd ocean sunfish happens to be the heaviest of all bony fish. It is also called a swimming head as the giant fish has no tail while it grows to a size of 10.82 feet and weighing a whopping 5,070 pounds. Since it has no tail, this fish puts all of its power into its fins to swim, and these fins also let them swim on their side. The ocean sunfish is usually a solitary fish, but they are sometimes found in groups for cleaning. Japanese spider crab. The Japanese spider crab is an arthropod with a leg span of over 12 feet. It belongs to the same phylum that includes spiders, crustaceans, and insects. Along with being the largest crustacean in the family, it also has the title of being the largest arthropod of all. As a Japanese spider crab ages, the legs continue to grow while the carapace will remain the same size. Oarfish. The seemingly odd-shaped oarfish is also known as a sea serpent or dragon. They live at depths of approximately 3,300 feet, and since they reside in these deep dark waters, they are rarely seen anywhere close to the surface. And if they are, it's highly possible that they aren't alive. Most knowledge about oarfish comes from specimens that have washed ashore. Oarfish, which are also called ribbonfish, are approximately 26 feet and don't have any scales. They also have large eyes, which helps them see in the dark depths of the ocean. Giant Pacific octopus. The giant Pacific octopus has been aptly named as it is the biggest cephalopod to exist. The oversized octopus has an approximate radial spread of nearly 32 feet. It is usually reddish-brown in color, but it can change colors when it feels threatened or needs to camouflage. The giant Pacific octopus is also incredibly intelligent in nature and can even solve mazes, open jars and play with toys. Aquariums offer several enrichment activities for these creatures to engage their brains. The giant Pacific octopus can be found throughout the Pacific, right from Alaska to Baja, California and even as far as Japan. Giant squid. The longest cephalopod to exist was the giant squid, which was approximately 39.37 feet long. Scientists have had quite a few opportunities to observe the massive creature in its natural habitat. 2012 was the first time a giant squid was filmed in its deep-sea home by scientists from the National Science Museum in Japan. The enormous cephalopod has quite a reach as its feeding tentacles can fetch prey over a 30 feet distance. The giant squid has been often associated with the infamous kraken from several sea monster tales. Basking shark. The largest ever basking shark discovered was measured at approximately 40 feet, which is as long as a school bus. These sharks can weigh up to a whopping 8,000 pounds, and it is often seen with its huge snout wide open near the surface of the water. Basking sharks are actually gentle giants, and their diet mostly consists of fish eggs, plankton and larvae. Sperm whale. At approximately 80 feet in length, the sperm whale is one of the largest toothed whales and the largest toothed predator in existence. A sperm whale's clicking call is as loud as 230 decibels underwater, which is equivalent to the sound of a rifle shot in just a few feet of one's ear. Compared to any other animal, a sperm whale also has one of the largest brains, which weighs nearly 20 pounds. But today, there are a few several thousand, which is still disheartening considering how abundant their population once was. Blue whale. The magnificent and massive blue whale is nearly 108 feet long, and it can weigh a whopping 441,000 pounds. The heart of a blue whale is as big as a car, and its heartbeat can be detected nearly 2 miles away. However, due to commercial whaling, the species was almost considered extinct by the 20th century.